Expect the unexpected. Grand Rising. Thought I'd take you along with the bug search this morning. The birds are singing so pretty. Thing is growing nicely. Night lights are still on. Waiting on y'all pretty buzz to show up. Protecting a few things with baskets. Keeping my seedlings growing. Seeds coming up. Tarragon is so pretty. Especially since it stayed since last year. I cut down my brassica and saving the seeds in a bag. Looks like my beets are trying to come up. Wow. Got those peas back, so I'm going to up part of a few things. Brown cherry, potatoes. Okay. Angelica. I'm hoping that those nasturtiums are coming up. I saw a few in there yesterday. Well, we'll get to that side. This is my garden.